Tina-target umano ni US President Donald Trump ang langis ng Iran. May babala naman ang Tehran sakaling magpadala na ng ground troops ang Estados Unidos. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni Laika Cuevas.
I would only say that we're doing extremely well in that negotiation, but you never know with Iran because we negotiate with them and then we always have to blow them up.
Patuloy man ang negosasyon sa Iran, hindi isinasantabi ni US President Donald Trump ang pag-takeover sa langis ng Tehran. Tulad yan ang plano ni Trump na kontrolin ang langis ng Venezuela matapos dakpin ng Amerika si Nicolas Maduro noong Enero. Kayang-kaya raw ng Estados Unidos na sakupin ang Kharg Island, ang vital oil export hub ng Iran.
I think we'll make a deal with them, pretty sure. But it's possible we won't. But we've had regime change. You look already because the one regime was decimated, destroyed. They're all dead. The next regime is mostly dead. And the third regime, we're dealing with different people than anybody's dealt with before. It's a whole different group of people.
Bukod dyan, pinaplano na raw ng Pentagon ang weeks of ground operation sa Iran, ayon sa ulat ng Washington Post. Sagot ng Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps ng Tehran, subukan nyo lang at mapapahiya kayo. Habang patuloy ang sigalot sa Middle East, libu-libong nagmarsya sa New York para kundinahin ang opensiba ng Amerika at Israel sa Iran.
Ceasefire now. No more endless wars. Why are we attacking countries in the Middle East? And we are a nation that has been at war long enough. It is time for peace.
Napuno rin ng anti-war demonstrators ang streets of LA.
We all are against war. We don't want Trump or Israel bomb Iran, destroy our infrastructure, destroy everything. That's why I'm here.
Umabot rin ang protesta sa Washington, D.C.
Everything is getting worse. The fact that we're drawn into an illegal war while the cost of living is just skyrocketing, it just seems like a slap in the face of the American people.
Nasa isang buwan ang giyera na yumanig sa ekonomiya ng buong mundo. Wala pa rin katiyakan kung kailan ito matatapos. Para sa agenda, Laika Cuevas, Billionaire News Channel.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionario News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.